Next topic, conduct of periodic elections. India is a democratic country. So democratic country means a மக்களாட்சி நடைபெறக்கூடிய country. We elect our representatives. Representatives means the MLA MPs to the parliament and the state assemblies. MLA means state assemblies. MP means the parliament. Similarly, the state governments conduct the elections to local bodies within the state. So local bodies means உள்ளாட்சி தேர்தல். So இதுக்கெல்லாமே government impose the fund. The conduct of the periodic elections. India is a democratic country. We elect our representatives to parliament and the state assemblies. Similarly, the state governments conduct the elections to local bodies within the state. Next topic, law and orders. Next topic, law and order. Law and orders. Both the union and state governments, the central government and state government enact the numerous laws to protect our rights, the fundamental rights, our properties, and to regulate our economic and society. Regulate the economy, Indian economy and the societies. To settle the disputes, the union government has the vibrant the judicial systems. The state government take the responsibility for administrating for the police force in the respective states. So law and orders maintained by the government. The central government and state government enact the numerous laws. So நிறைய சட்டங்களை இயற்றிருக்கு to protect our rights, properties, and to regulate our economic and society. To schedule the disputes, பிரச்சனைகளை தீர்த்தல். To schedule the dispute means the பிரச்சனைகள் of the union as the vibrant of the judicial systems. நீதி மூலமா பல பிரச்சனைகளை நீதித்துறை மூலம் தீர்க்கப்பட்டுள்ளது. The state government take this responsibility for administrating the police forces for the respective states. Next topic, public administrations and provisions of public goods. Public administrations and provisions of public goods. The government generally is administrator of the economic and the society through the various department. So economic and society through the various department. For examples, revenue department. So various departments, for examples, one is a revenue departments, schools, hospitals, rural development and urban development, rural areas and urban areas. The local government provide the public goods like local roads, drainage, drinking water, and waste collections and disposals. These are the very important for the public administrations and provisions for public goods. Next topic, redistributions of income and poverty. The alleviation, that means here alleviations means பொது நிர்வாகம் மற்றும் பொது பண்டங்களை வழங்குதல். The alleviations means the வழங்குதல். The government collect the various taxes. So government collect the various taxes to finance the various activities. Using the various activities mentioned earlier. The taxes are collected in the way that the high income people can bring the more tax revenue to the government than the poor. So ஏழை மக்கள் விட the richest peoples, the high income peoples அதிகமாக வரி செலுத்துகிறார்கள். The government also spent the money such that the poor are given some basic necessity. So poor are given some basic necessities of a life like food, shelter, clothing, educations, health care, and monthly income to the very poor persons, thus collecting the taxes and spending for the poor to reduce the poverty. ஸோ நம்மள்கிட்ட வாங்கின அந்த டேக்ஸஸை ஸோ கவர்மெண்ட்டு நமக்காகவே செலவு செய்து மெயின்லி ஃபார் புவர் பீப்புள்ஸ்க்கு ஃபார் லைக் ஏ ஃபுட் ஷெல்டர், ஃபுட்டு அரிசி உணவு வழங்குதல், ஷெல்டர் வீடு வழங்குதல், கிளாத்திங் எஜுகேஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஹெல்த் கேர், ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ஸ், monthly income for the very poor person, pensions for this the collecting taxes and pending for this poor to reduce the poverty. Next topic, regulate the economy. The union government through the Reserve Bank of India, the central government through the Reserve Bank of India, the control the money supply and control the interest rate. So Reserve Bank control the money supply and controls the interest rate. The inflations of the foreign exchange. The main objectives is to remove too much of the inflations in this rate. That means the ஏற்ற இறக்கங்களை களைவதே இதனுடைய ரிசர்வ் பேங்கின் மெயின் நோக்கம். The central government also control the economy through the various others agencies such as a Securities Exchange Board of India and the Competition Commissions of India. So two mains, the central government also control the economy through the various other agencies such as a Securities Exchange Board of India and Competition Commissions of India. All the government of India run public sector enterprises to provide the important goods and service at the appropriate rate of the peoples. So all the government in India run public sectors, government offices, the enterprises to provide the important goods and services at affordable rate of the peoples. That means a மலிவான விலையில் ஸோ நமக்கு பொருட்களை வழங்குகிறது the government of India. So the public sector enterprises to provide the important goods and service. Thank you.